Imagine if you could analyze stocks the same way professional investors do. Not with hype, not with headlines, not with social media speculation, but with 5 proven metrics that have helped investors identify some of the best-performing companies in history. In today's video, I will show you 5 powerful stocks and how they score using 5 simple but powerful investing metrics. The companies we will analyze today are Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Visa, and Meta platforms. These are some of the most dominant companies in the world. But the question is, are they still good investments today? And which of them looks the strongest when we apply real investing metrics? By the end of this video, you will understand the 5 metrics smart investors use, why these companies dominate their industries, which stock could potentially outperform in the next decade. Hello, viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. Let's get started. The 5 proven metrics. Before we talk about the stocks, we need to talk about the 5 metrics we will use. These metrics are simple but extremely powerful. They help investors identify high-quality companies. Metric number 1, revenue growth. Great companies grow their revenue consistently. If revenue is rising every year, that means the business is expanding. Metric number 2, profit margins. Strong companies turn revenue into profits efficiently. Higher margins usually mean a strong competitive advantage. Metric number 3, return on equity, ROE. This measures how effectively a company uses shareholder money. Legendary investor Warren Buffett loves this metric. Metric number 4, free cash flow. Cash flow is the real lifeblood of a company. Companies with strong cash flow can pay dividends, buy back shares, invest in growth. Metric number 5, competitive moat. A moat is what protects a company from competitors. The stronger the moat, the harder it is for competitors to take market share. Now let's apply these 5 metrics to our 5 stocks. Stock number 1, Microsoft Corporation. Microsoft is one of the most powerful companies in the world. The company dominates cloud computing, enterprise software, artificial intelligence, gaming, and the numbers are incredible. Revenue growth. Microsoft has grown revenue consistently for years. Much of this growth comes from Azure cloud computing, which continues gaining market share. Profit margins. Microsoft has very high margins. Why? Because software businesses scale incredibly well. Once the software is built, millions of customers can use it with very little additional cost. Return on equity. Microsoft's return on equity is consistently strong. This shows the company is extremely efficient at generating profits. Free cash flow. Microsoft generates tens of billions in free cash flow every year. This allows them to invest in AI, acquire companies, return money to shareholders. Competitive moat. Microsoft's moat is massive. Windows, Office, Azure, LinkedIn, GitHub. These platforms are deeply embedded in global business infrastructure. Replacing them would be extremely difficult. Stock number 2, Google Alphabet Inc. Alphabet is the parent company of Google. Google dominates the internet in several ways. Search, YouTube, Android, cloud computing, digital advertising, revenue growth. Google continues to grow revenue through advertising and cloud services. YouTube alone generates billions in revenue. Profit margins. Alphabet has very strong margins because digital advertising is extremely profitable. Once the platform is built, advertising becomes very scalable. Return on equity. Alphabet consistently produces strong returns for shareholders. Despite massive investments in technology and AI, free cash flow. Alphabet generates enormous free cash flow. This allows the company to invest in artificial intelligence, develop new technologies, repurchase shares. Competitive moat. Google's moat is almost unmatched. Google Search controls a massive share of global search traffic. YouTube is the world's largest video platform. Android powers billions of smartphones. This ecosystem makes Google extremely difficult to compete against. Stock number 3, Amazon. Amazon.com Inc. Amazon started as an online bookstore. Today it dominates e-commerce, cloud computing, digital infrastructure, streaming, revenue growth. Amazon has been one of the fastest growing large companies in history. its AWS cloud platform is a major driver of profitability. Profit margins, retail margins are lower. But AWS cloud computing has very high margins. And that is what drives Amazon's profitability. Return on equity. Amazon reinvests heavily into growth, but its long-term return on equity has remained strong. Free cash flow. Amazon generates enormous operating cash flow. Much of it gets reinvested into logistics and infrastructure. Competitive moat. Amazon's moat comes from its logistics network. Its fulfillment centers and delivery systems are extremely difficult to replicate. Stock number 4. Visa Inc. Visa is one of the most powerful financial companies in the world. Every time someone uses a Visa card, the company earns a small fee. Visa doesn't lend money. Instead, it operates the payment network. Revenue growth. As global payments move toward digital transactions, Visa continues to grow. Cash is slowly disappearing in many countries. This trend benefits Visa. Profit margins. Visa has incredibly high profit margins. Why? Because it operates a network business model. Return on equity. Visa's ROE is among the highest of any major corporation. Free cash flow. Visa generates massive free cash flow every year. This cash is often used for share buybacks and dividends. Competitive moat. Visa's moat comes from its global payment network. Millions of merchants and billions of cards rely on it. Building a competing network would take decades. Stock number 5. Meta Platforms. Meta Platforms Inc. Meta owns some of the most powerful social platforms in the world. Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger. Revenue growth. Meta generates most of its revenue from advertising. Billions of users make the platform extremely valuable for advertisers. Profit margins. Digital advertising businesses tend to have strong margins. Meta is no exception. Return on equity. Meta's return on equity is consistently strong, despite heavy investments into virtual reality and AI. Free cash flow. Meta produces enormous free cash flow every year. This allows them to invest in future technologies. Competitive moat. Meta's moat comes from network effects. Billions of users are connected on its platforms. The more people use it, the stronger the ecosystem becomes. Which stock looks strongest? When we compare these 5 companies using our metrics, we see something fascinating. All 5 companies share several characteristics. They have strong revenue growth, massive free cash flow, high profit margins, powerful competitive moats. This is exactly what investors look for in long-term compounders. However, some investors might prefer Microsoft for stability, Amazon for long-term growth, Visa for consistent profits, Meta for advertising dominance, Google for technology leadership. The truth is, investing success often comes from owning great companies for long periods of time. Instead of chasing hype, instead of trying to time the market, focus on companies that demonstrate strong growth, strong profitability, strong competitive advantages. That is exactly what these 5 companies have shown for years. And that is why many investors continue to hold them as long-term investments. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Investing in stocks involves risk, including the potential loss of principal. Always conduct your own research and consider consulting with a qualified financial professional before making investment decisions. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you in the next video.